here is how you can apply a specific album for the Photo Shuffle wallpaper on the iPhone. So I'm going to show you exactly how it works. If you are new here and first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next quick tips and tutorials like this one. So if you go to the lock screen and you hold down on it, you can switch between the existing wallpapers, but all the way on the right, we have the plus button to set up a new one. Right, and if you want to, you can most definitely just go there, right, and see that we have the ability to choose from all of the different styles of wallpapers. And the photo shuffle is most definitely there and at the top, meaning that it will switch between selected photos. So when you click there, it will most definitely ask you if you want to choose featured photos, which are, for example, nature in my case, but I can as well switch it for the specific album. It's going to show me the albums I have available, right? So I'm going to click on the option, which is currently selected, and these are basically all of the albums which I manually created on my device. So, you know, there are things like the favorites folders, which I click the heart icon on the images off, right? And also the albums I manually created. So if you want specific photos to be like shuffled between on your wallpaper, and just set up an album which will contain all of the images, right? So then you will select it, choose the frequency, and then the picture will be switched, right? You can as well see that at the bottom we have the select photos manually, so you technically don't even have to like set them up in an album. You can just go to all of your photos and click the pictures, you know, as probably as many as you want, and you can then switch and shuffle between those. So I guess that would be a nice option as well without even creating any albums at all. So do it however you prefer, but that is the way you can go about it. I hope I could help. Let me know what you think below and subscribe for upcoming videos and similar guides like this one.